Welcome to part 3 of the Service Request Management Training. In this recording, you will learn how to approve standard requests and estimate general requests. When a standard service request is submitted, the RITM number is generated. Based on the workflow of the service, the RITM is routed for approvals. An email notification is sent to the approver and the requested for at the time the record is created. Requests can be sent to an individual or a group. Approvals can be completed on the myIT Services portal or in the myIT Services platform. Steps on how to complete approvals and assign delegates were covered in the fundamentals training. It is a best practice for the approver to review and understand the request before approving or denying it. Approvals can be seen on the RITM record in the Related Links section. Click the Approval tab to view pending approvals. Service request approvals must be completed within 7 days. If the request has not been approved in 3 days, a second notification is sent to the approver and the requested for. If the request is not approved in 7 days, it is automatically closed with the state closed rejected. An email notification is sent to the requester. If the RITM is approved, the tasks defined by the workflow are generated and assigned. If the request is rejected, a notification is sent to the requester and the name in the requested by field. Remember, there are no approvals on general service requests. Now we'll talk about estimating general service requests. Users can locate service requests in different lists provided in the navigation menu. The table on this page details the records that display in each list. Select the desired list to display records. Select a record from the list to view it. The two main lists the Fulfillment Manager utilizes are My Group's Escalated Task and Request to Estimate. The Fulfillment Manager must remediate any request in the state of escalated assigned to their assignment group. These records are found in the My Group's Escalated Task list. When a general request is submitted, there are no approvals, so it is directly assigned to the assignment group with the state of open. A member of the fulfillment team must review the request to ensure it has proper documentation, populate the estimated delivery date, and add any necessary tasks. Requests pending this work can be found in the Request to Estimate list. While any member of the fulfillment team can provide the estimate, the fulfillment manager is accountable for ensuring the estimate is provided on time and accurately. The Request to Estimate list does not display the RITM record, but rather the SC task records. When the task is updated with the estimate, it then updates the RITM record as well. Users can also utilize the My Work list. This is found under the Service Desk Process heading. The list displays all records assigned to the user logged in. SLA details display such as the business elapsed time column. Other lists on the table are utilized by the fulfillment analyst and will be discussed in a later section. After locating a task record, click on it to display the details. The assignment group must review the request and estimate the delivery date, reassign the work, or withdraw the request. Any member of the assignment group on the task can complete these actions, but the fulfillment manager is accountable if any targets are missed. These actions are discussed in detail on the next slides. If it is determined the request will not be completed, it should be closed. Change the state on the SC task to Closed Incomplete. The Incomplete Task Reason field displays. Select a value of Canceled, Rejected, Project, or Release. Document the reason the request is being withdrawn in the Work Notes field. If a request item has multiple tasks, the request can be withdrawn from the RITM record. Change the state to Closed Incomplete. All tasks associated with the request will also be changed to Closed Incomplete. A request can be canceled at any time during the life cycle. If this is the only task on the RITM record, the RITM is also closed. If the request was assigned to the incorrect assignment group, it should be reassigned. From the SC task, delete the value in the assignment group field. Populate the correct assignment group. The Assigned To field should be left blank, which allows any member of the new assignment group to pick up and work the task. To assist in populating the correct group, populate the Business Service field. When a business service is selected, the support group associated with the business service populates or updates the current assignment group. The assignment group field can be overwritten if necessary. Document the reason the request is being reassigned and click the Save button. The new assignment group receives an email notification to let them know the request has been reassigned to them. If the fulfillment manager determines additional tasks are required, they will create and assign them from the RITM record, which is referenced in the Request Item field of the task. Click the reference icon to the right of the Request Item field to display information about the record. Click the Open Record button to display the RITM. From the Related Links section, click the Catalog Tasks tab. Click the New button to add an additional task. At this time, I'll demonstrate how to estimate the delivery date for a request. The Fulfillment Manager reviews the task record to ensure it's properly documented. They reach back out to the requester if additional information is needed. Once the request is fully documented, the Fulfillment Manager can estimate the time necessary to complete the request. The Estimated Delivery Date field is populated with the date that reflects when the request will be fulfilled. Click the Calendar button to the right of the field to select a value. The Fulfillment Manager also assigns the work to the appropriate fulfillment analyst on their team. This is done by selecting a value from the Assigned To field. Document any additional information or steps taken in the Work Notes field. Save the request task. Once the request task is saved, the state changes to Work in Progress. Values for the estimated delivery and the state feed to the item record. A notification is sent to the requester indicating the estimated delivery date. This entire review must take place within 4 days from the submitted date. This marks the response SLA on the request. This completes part 3 of the service request training. Proceed to the final recording to learn about request fulfillment and closure.